How do you read these verses of the Holy Quran? Is it like Maliki Yawmiddin, Lam Yalid wa Lam Yulad, Ara'ayta alladhi yukadhibu biddin, or Maliki Yawmiddin, Lam Yalid wa Lam Yulad, أَرَأَيْتَ الَّذِي يُكَذِّبُ بِالدِّينِ. Which way is the correct way of reciting these ayat? The first one or the second one? Please write your answer in the comments. If you couldn't figure out which is the correct way of reciting these verses, or even if you figured it out but don't know the reason for it, then do watch this video till the end. Because here we are going to reveal an ultimate secret of effortless and smooth recitation of the Quran. And that secret is learning the quality of Istifaal present in most of the letters of Arabic. Istifaal literally means dropping or lowering. But when we use this word in the context of Tajweed, it means to keep the root of your tongue lowered while articulating a letter. Even though we can hardly feel this lowering of the root of our tongue, it is actually this quality which makes many, or I should say most of the letters of Arabic light or relaxed. So all the letters of Arabic except these 7, Khussa, Dagtin, Qid, Kha, Sad, Dad, Ghain, Ta, Qaf and Dha. All the letters except these 7 letters are light letters. And we need to articulate all the letters except these 7 with a relaxed position of tongue or with a lowered tongue, which would make all these letters light and not heavy. Okay? So Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Dal, Dal, Za, Sin, Shin, Ain, Fa, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza and Ya. All these letters have the quality of Istifaal present in them, that is lowering of the root of tongue, which makes these letters light. As for these 7 letters, they have the quality of Isti'la present in them, which we have already discussed in the previous lesson. If you haven't watched that lesson, you can follow this link and watch it. Can you see that Ra is absent from both these groups of letters? It is because Ra is sometimes light and sometimes heavy. We will learn the rules pertaining to Tafkhim, that is heaviness, and Tarqiq, that is lightness of Ra, in a future lesson, inshallah. So here we need to produce these 21 letters in a very relaxed manner. Let's practice some of these letters with different vowel signs on them. Ba, ba, bi, bu, da, di, du, da, di, du, sa, si, su, ta, ti, tu, a, I, U, Fa, Fi, Fu, Za, Zi, Zu, Ma, Mi, Mu, Ja, Ji, Ju, La, Li, Lu, Ka, Ki, Ku. Now let's practice all the light letters or relaxed letters in Suratul Kafirun. And let's also point out the heavy letters in it. All the green colored letters are light, while the red colored letters should be heavy or thick. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Please do repeat after me. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل يا أيها الكافرون. لا أعبد ما تعبدون ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد ولا أنا عابد ما عبدتم ولا أنتم عابدون ما أعبد لكم دينكم ولي دين. Did you notice that all the letters in each verse of this surah are letters of Istifal or light letters except the first qaf? We should always keep our tongue and lips in a relaxed position and try to avoid rounding of our lips while producing these letters, that is, these light letters. And remember, it is this quality of istifal and its opposite quality isti'la which makes many pairs of letters distinct from each other. Those letters sometimes share the same articulation point or have articulation points close to each other. For example, qaf and kaf. Their articulation points are close to each other, but they differ in their qualities. Qaf has isti'la present in it, which makes it heavy, while kaf has the quality of istifal in it, which makes it a light letter. Hence, there is a huge difference in the meanings of qalb and kalb. Likewise, ta and ta both have the same articulation point, that is the tip of our tongue and the root of upper front incisors. However, these two letters sound different from each other because ta has istifal in it, which makes it a light letter, while ta has isti'la in it, which makes it a heavy letter. So, the difference between the meanings of words teen and teen. There are a few more pairs of letters which are articulated from the same makhraj, but they differ from each other because of istifal and isti'la. Think of them and write them in the comments here. And if you want to watch more bite-sized lessons on Tajweed like this, then do subscribe to this channel. See you in the next lesson, inshallah. Assalamu-Alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.